Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video we are going to be doing a eye look using the Magnif'eyes Jeweled Rocks Edition. You know how hard that was to say? It took me 3 takes to get that right. Anyways, we're going to be doing an eye look with this because I think these are just beautiful colors. We're also going to be trying out our new Maybelline Tattoo Studio liner. I think that's all that we're trying out that's new. I have a Milani liner too, but when I did the swatches, I liked the Maybelline better. So today we're going to use the Maybelline. So we are going to start off with my Essence eye primer. Okay, now what colors are we going to use? Oops, we don't want that brush. Let's see. I think these are all jewel tones. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's the lightest color in the palette. It's pretty. But I do think, wait a minute. Nope, that one's a matte. So there are some mattes, but there's not a super light matte. So I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Creme Brulee just to dust over this primer that I just put on real quick. This is my favorite standby for this. Anytime a palette doesn't have a super light matte, I always use this, and this is the Wet n Wild Single. Creme Brulee is the color, and it's like 93 cents, and you can get them anywhere you can get Walmart. Anywhere you can get Wet n Wild. Walmart's where I get mine. And I have like 3 backups, so that in case they don't have them there, I'm still good for a while. Okay, so next we're going to go in with this yellow, this mustardy yellow. And I'm just going to put that in for my transition color, I think. Must be in a yellow mood. I put on this yellow sweatshirt. I had a red sweatshirt on, but it seems like I've been doing a lot of red lately. Probably because I love my red shoes. So I always want to wear red. I told my husband, if you want to buy me anything, just make sure it's red. So far, he hasn't built the need. Maybe I'm going to lay down a little bit of this darker green right next to it, and then I'll put that shimmer over it. Yeah, I can see this a lot better. And I'm trying to keep it kind of low so you can still see that yellow peeking above it. Now I'm going to take some concealer, my creaseless concealer, and I'm going to get some on this paintbrush. And I'm going to put some on this eye so I can add some lighter color to it and brighten it up. would turn towards the camera, but obviously I wouldn't be able to see then. See how far over I went? And now I'm going to go in with this flat brush at the other end of this. And I'm going to go into the lightest color in this palette, which is like a lime iridescent green, yellowy green. And I'm going to just pack that on top of that concealer. Well, it's not as shiny as it looked like it was on my finger. I'm just going to keep putting it on till it is. That's pretty shiny. Now I'm going to take that fluffy brush and just blend out this edge a little bit. There. And then I'm going to take a smudging brush like this. And I'm going to add some dark green down here. And bring these together. Okay guys, now we're going to try our new Maybelline Tattoo Studio liner in Deep Onyx. I think it's Deep Onyx. Yes, Deep Onyx. And I already lost the lid. Oh well. Oh, there it is. There's these clear lids. I can't see them. Anyways, I'm going to push line with it, and then I'm also going to use it on top. And to push line, I forgot to tell you how to push line. Put your little finger right in the center of your eye and push, and it just kind of turns the lash up. You don't push very hard. So that you can get between your lashes instead of in the waterline. Alright, now I'm going to go back in and do a little bit above, and then I'm going to smudge that all out. And I use a little flat brush to smudge it. And I first go towards the bottom where the lashes are and blend all that. And then I clean some of that off my brush and go back in and do some more smudging. And I always bring it up higher in the outer corner to help lift that eye so it doesn't look droopy. And that's it for the liner. I do like this liner. I like Maybelline gel liners. Now, I think I'm going to go in with, where is that sponge? Here it is. This sponge. And I'm going to use some of my Brighten Up powder. And I'm just going to try and straighten that right there. And I'm just going to take, this is a Cake Bake or something like that sponge from Sephora. But any sponge with a nice straight line, that's all you need. And I'm just going to go like that, and then I'm going to blend that out. And it's perfect, see? Get you a nice crisp line, and it's amazing, right? It's just perfectly amazing. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to go off camera and I'm going to do my lashes, which basically I'm going to curl them and put mascara on them. And I'll be back. Okay guys, I am back. And this is our final look for our testing of the Rimmel Magnif'eyes, I cannot say the name of this, Magnif'eyes Jeweled Rocks Edition. I think is what it says. Yeah. Magnif'eyes Jeweled Rocks Edition from Rimmel London. I believe this is a new palette. I found it at Walgreens. And I love it. I love it. What do you guys think? You love this look? Everything blended really nicely. Usually when I get a yellow up here and then I put a green, it's like, ah. But it blended really nicely. I think it looks great. And glow, right? Glow. We're talking glow. Also, I did the smudgy black. I think this is great. This is my new fave. The Maybelline Tattoo Studio in Deep Onyx. And it is a gel liner. So it'll all be listed below. Everything I put on my face will be listed below. And it is an affiliate link, but if you don't want to buy it there, that's fine. You can just click on it and go look at it, and that way you know what to get when you go to the store. But I always list everything unless I forget something. And if I do, if you see me put something on my face and then you don't find it listed below, just leave it in the comments and I'll go back, because that just means I forgot. And I will go back and add it. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!